What's going on, restorers and explorers? Welcome back. We got another episode of Tony Restores coming right at you. Well, more like Tony cleans and restores. Today we are at Fermilab, the United States Department of Energy. We have one of these little particle hadron colliders out here in the Midwest, right outside of Chicago. Fermi's one of them. And they've got a ton of property over here. And I've just always noticed that it's really dirty. So today, we're gonna give it some good cleaning. You guys know the drill. Hope you're all doing well. We missed Earth Day, but it is Earth Month. So all month for the month of April is a good time to clean. Just kind of represent the planet. The planet gets a month, which is great news because it's much needed. So we've had all this rain here recently, and all of this foliage has grown now. Because the other day, before all the grass was really long and all these dandelions and weeds and whatnot weren't so tall, I just saw a ton of trash. So we're just gonna keep it moving here, grab what trash we see and just throw it in a bag. See, I kind of want to go into some of these places. Technically, this is government property. And on government property, you kind of got to have like permits and stuff to clean up and whatnot, especially a place like this. So many times it won't be too long before you get a call. Somebody calls on you, hey, some guys just hanging around cleaning up trash, and next thing you know, they'll send a truck out here after me. It's happened before on certain cleanups where I've been told to scram, so I wouldn't doubt that this could be one of those times. Yeah, you know, it really stinks when it rains because the wetness just gets everywhere. Geez, I want to get that big piece of styrofoam, but there's no right way in here. We got a big prickly bush there. I think this is the only way in. You guys are gonna get a zoom visual. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful spring. It has been really, really nice lately. Other than the rain, as far as temperature-wise, I've gotten lucky where I'm at. So, wherever you are, I hope you can brighten up your communities and enjoy the nice weather and get some cleaning done. I just love exploring. Exploring places is what I'm about. Little adventures. And if you can do some good while you're on your adventure, that's even better, right? So that's what we try to do here. So me and my life, I've been pretty busy with the family and stuff like that, so I haven't been able to do a lot of furniture restorations, but you know, now that the weather has turned, I can finally start getting to it. Oh my goodness. All the styrofoams. I forgot where that is on our list of longest to decompose. It's pretty high up there. It's pretty high up there, let me tell you. Another useless product that we should just stop producing altogether. There's a million others that are good. Geez, it has been really windy here recently though, so that's the problem. See, all that trash that I saw the other day is now blown in here. It was thrown out by these cars wind, water, rain, slowly flushing it this way downhill. Not good, not fun, and not healthy. Jeez. Jeez Louise. What is that big bag there, huh? Can we sneak in? Grab this big bag. What is it? What is the big bag? It's got some worms on it. Oh, ice. Probably from the nearby gas stations and whatnot. And my favorite part about this is exploring some of the myceliums. Hopefully we can find some mushrooms, guys. Usually after big rains, you'll see some mushroom growth. The temperature is right. Foliage is certainly doing nice. Usually it's around these big trees where you find some mushies. What's this here? That looks like something. Oh, it's just an acorn. Just an acorn. And you really wish people would just stop. If you're eating your lunch, put it in the garbage can, y'all. It's getting a little bit out of control, you know what I mean? All the garbage hanging around. Yuck. Oh, I see some deep in there too. So you just want to be careful though, because you just heard those sirens. Thought they were for me. Sometimes they don't want you cleaning it up. Which is a shame, because that's kind of what is the most pressing governmental matter on everybody's mind, you know? Water's making everything difficult. Yeah. We do what we can though. I don't know if you guys have heard me talk about it before on this channel, but it's actually tires. Tires are the #1 producers of microplastics, which is just great because every year we manufacture more and more cars, which means more and more tires. I have a crazy idea. If anybody wants to help me, I think hemp can save the world. If we can make some sort of hemp tires. Hemp is a strong, durable. Ooh, look at these buds. How pretty. It's a good indicator to plant when they're about that size. Get your home garden starting. But yeah, hemp's the solution to everything, guys. I was reading an article back in the 1950s. There were posters all over this country about growing hemp for victory in the 1940s for World War II. It was such a durable product that could be used for so many different things that the United States government wanted you to grow it. They've since changed their mind, obviously. Big gub move on their part. But, you know, as the kids say, the times, they are a-changing. Look at the pretty blossoming going on here. Spring is just such a pretty time. It's truly my favorite. Jeez. Guys, just recently, this whole area was covered. It's just been so windy that it's gone now. I can't believe it. Yeah, the green and the brown plastics, those are the hardest to find and grab. But it all needs to go. This actually looks like a good path in. This is good for some exploration, y'all. This almost looks like a fire. I'm no bryologist, but that looks like some healthy moss. So we're gonna avoid stepping on that to get to the trash. It's kind of like a little little puzzle, a little maze to get to your, I feel like a mouse. Instead of following the cheese, following the trash. Yeah, cool, we got a nice little open clearing here. This is nice. Get access to some of the trash that's blown in here. Oh. Just throw it in a bag. Lots of healthy growth here. Which is crazy because underneath this ground is the particle collider. I don't know, maybe probably over somewhere closer to that way. This place is huge. If you get a chance, hop over to Google Maps and take a look at Fermilab. It's quite the interesting place. Got a buddy that works here. They are, I guess what you would call it, the forefront of the science. Dasani. I don't think it's warm enough yet for the mushrooms, maybe. We still have been getting close to some frosts. Oof. Here's more ice. Another ice bag. Covered in muck. What a dense little forest here, though. Oh, here's the boozers. Booze case found. Maybe not, actually. This looks like plastic. Why don't you crawl out through the fallout back to me? Oh, this looks like a walking path. I don't know if you guys can see this, but directly here looks like somebody cleared a little bit of the area. Obviously, got new growth. Some of these trees. Come on, man. Just so much yuck. When is the yuck ever gonna end, family? We're getting into some muddy territory here. Kind of how I like it. Getting the hands dirty. In this case, getting the claw dirty. You know what I mean? The claw. So much of these plastics just melt away the minute you touch them. Look at that. You can barely even grab it just because it's so mutated and melted into there. It's terrible. But one piece of trash at a time, guys. And we got this. Huh. Lots of these big nuts. I don't see any major trees that would drop if you drop in these major nuts. I'm no arborist, but those are some fairly large seed casings. See the uses for your claw. Long distance grab. But I just love hearing the nature, although the giant highway next to me doesn't help with the audio. But just being in here makes me feel happy. Doing a little explorations. What's going on with that guy? It's stuck. It's not for the faint of heart, this stuff. But it is for those with a big heart. It's a thankless job, but it doesn't matter. Whoa! Potato chips. Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Yep, there's our noisy highway. Bunch of fun that is. Well, let's see, how long have I been keeping you guys here? We haven't found anything cool. It's not like our highway pickups, but still pretty for us. Get a little bit of scenic look at nature, guys. Again, continue to have a wonderful spring. Summer's coming up. If you can, get out there. Enjoy the weather, get some sun on your faces. Unsubscribe, turn off the phones, get the TVs, get out of the house, and get out here and have some fun. Have some fun while you're doing something good. So, thanks again for watching. Can't tell you guys how much I appreciate it. Make sure we're living that green revolution, y'all. Peace.